Well, as you can see, this is a bit of a downpour. Let's watch some old footage that I have from previous fishing trips that I've taken that I just haven't published the video yet. I guess that's what we'll have to do this time, since I got stuff to do and I gotta do it in this. Hopefully next Saturday it won't rain. Well, there you go. Saw him swirl on some bait, and I've got an airplane killing my audio. Ow! He's got sharp teeth. A little 1-pounder. Hello, little 1-pounder. End of the day, caught him on a little white chartreuse buzz bait. Just getting started. Only here about 10 minutes. Oh, that was a slap. Another 1-pounder. There you go. Probably the, oh man, that hook was not in him. Just a nice green. Number 2. Let's get a release on this guy. There you go. There it is. Oh, there's a huge bee on my thing. All right. Same thing. Just casting it up the bank and bringing it down along the bank. Another little, probably just under 1 pound. Man, the hook is just coming out every time. There you go. He's got a little bit more color to him. There it is. Oh. Man, that's a nice one. Oh. Oh, he spit it. That was a nice one too. He was fat. He was probably about the same length as all of them, but he was fat. Oh. noticed about these guys. They've not been hooking in the mouth very hard. Oh, guys. Got the elusive bagfish. Stinky elusive bagfish. Another. Oh, there it is. I was just about to talk to the camera. Ooh, that's a little nicer one. Look at that. Fat little sucker. 1.05. Good one. Right at the bank. Maybe a half pounder. I mean, just a little guy. There it is. Oh, he almost took it out of my hand. Oh, yeah. Oh. There's another one. Man, these guys crush it. Beautiful. That's why I'm ripping them up onto the bank there. Oh, another little 1 pounder. I don't know that that's the one that's been flashing and splashing, but there it is. Came off the hook as soon as I got him on the bank. 10 or 11. I don't know what this is. I lost count. Oh, here we go. Oh. I'm having a blast. All right, changing up to the jig head. See if they want a little slower moving bait. All right. Just caught. Ouch, that's not good. Just caught a little jerkbait. Flash Minnow 95 MR. Super awesome, amazing. Alright, so I just pulled this jerkbait out. It's still really nasty, but I'm going to, let's see if we catch a fish. Whoever lost that jerkbait, thank you. That is apparently what they wanted. Same size, little guy. That was fun. Let's throw it back there. I knew he was over there. I just didn't know what he wanted. All right, well, caught a fish on it. The Flash
What is it? Flash Minnow 95 MR. You can see that there. Flash Minnow 95 MR. It did catch a fish. Thank you, whoever lost it. Alright guys, I will definitely be back here and we'll fish more. I think it was 13 something bass total. I appreciate everybody coming by, and we'll see you next time. Can you imagine what fish think? Holy crap, yesterday I was eating and all of a sudden my food jerked me out of the water. And this giant took me off and put me back in the water. Shut up.